And now, a Preservation Minute, brought to you by the City of Round Rock Department of Planning and Community Development. Although the City of Round Rock works with residents to preserve historic buildings, sometimes notable landmarks are lost. 3 of those lost landmarks are the Mexican School, Trinity Lutheran College, and the Adams Garage Motor Court. The Mexican School was built in 1934 on the site of the former Round Rock Institute in Old Town. Many Mexicans immigrated to Round Rock in the late 1800s and early 1900s to work in the lime factories. Round Rock ended segregated education for Mexican children in 1949, and the school was closed. In 1953, the building was converted into a home by Colonel William Todd and his wife. It was torn down in 1996. Trinity Lutheran College, founded in 1905, was almost located in Stamford, Texas. But the City of Round Rock offered the college land, a well, and cash, and Trinity opened here in 1906. Financial struggles led the college to merge in 1929 with the Lutheran College of Seguin, now Texas Lutheran College. The Trinity College building developed structural problems and was torn down in the 1930s. A small stone washhouse built in 1911 was all that remained. It was demolished in 2004 for safety reasons. The Adams Motor Court at 504 North Mays was built in 1935 to serve travelers on U.S. Highway 81, which stretched from Canada to Mexico. Like many early motor courts, it included a garage, a filling station, a restaurant, and rooms for overnight lodging. As the motel industry evolved, motor courts fell out of favor, although many are still used for a variety of purposes. The Adams Garage canopy was torn down in 2004. The remainder of the motor court was later removed. These landmarks are now just memories, but all 3 played important parts in Round Rock's history.